Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. In this video, we will cover the Zulu clicks like and We've already covered the rest of the alphabet in this video. If you haven't done that yet, please go back as the first few lessons are laying a foundation for future lessons. The next lesson we will cover is grammar, which will help you to sound more like a native Zulu speaker. These sounds may be challenging at first, but as you continually practice them, they will become familiar. I will also give you many opportunities to use them in future, as these are common sounds in isiZulu. And in this video, I will also give you some words to practice with these sounds so that you become familiar with them and be able to use them daily. We'll start with the letter C. Now this sound, you make it by pushing your tongue to the back of your front teeth, then drop it quickly. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. Cabanga, cabanga. I, I. Cula, cula, cela, cela, conza, conza. The letter Q, you lift your tongue to the front of your palate, the part where the ridges start, then let it pop. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. Anda, anda, ahamba, ahamba. Qembu, qembu. Ila, ila. Iqolo, iqolo. X is made with your back teeth. I used my left jaw to make this sound. I doubt that it is doable with the right jaw, but try it and let's see. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. Uqamu, uqamu. Qegisa, qegisa. Quba, quba. Xoxa, xoxa. Now that you know the basics of these sounds, let's learn their variations. The C, remember? If you add an N to that sound, it becomes ng. Just like the root sound C, it's made by putting your tongue behind your front teeth. Only this time, you will stiffen your tongue just a little. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngu. Ngane, ngane. Ngenga, ngenga. Ncika, ncika. Ncokola, ncokola. Nqunza, nqunza. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngu. Then we have the GC. This one, place your tongue between the top front teeth and the upper palate. Stiffen your tongue and then let it pop. Ka, ka, qi, qi, go, gu. Ka, qi, qi, go, gu. Qina, qina. Qoboza, qoboza. Igciwane, igciwane. Qina, qina. Qa, qi, qi, go, gu. If we add an N now to that qa, the same sound changes now slightly by stiffening the front part of your tongue. Nga, nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngu. Ngi, ngi. The CH is like the bass sound C, only softer. Ka, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Chibi, chibi, cho, 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 or isiXhosa. Chusha, chusha, cha, cha. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Now the Q, we said, but when we add an N, the sound changes slightly to nga. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngo. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngo. Nguma, nguma. Nwaba, nwaba. Ngola, ngola. Inqindi, inqindi. Nqaba, nqaba. Ngoba, ngoba. Nga, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngo. Here's how the Q sounds when it's combined with a G. A, re, ri, o, u. A, re, ri, o, u. Isigqi, isigqi. Umuqa, umuqa. Iqubu, iqubu. Oka, oka. Qa, qe, qi, o, u. Now listen to this sound when we add a G to the NQ. NGQ. Nga, nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Inqathu, inqathu. Inqephu, inqephu. Ingqondo, ingqondo, ingqondo. Ngqongqoza, ngqongqoza. Ngqungquthela, ngqungquthela. Nqa, ngqe, ngqi, ngo, ngu. The X sound, when we add an N to it, changes to ng. So it's still made with the left jaw, only a little deeper, with a little more oomph. Remember we said a. Now it's nga. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nqaka, nqaka. Nqaka, nqaka. Nqantathu, nqantathu. Inxeba, inxeba. Nxusa, nxusa. Nxa, nxe, nxi, ngo, ngu. Just a little warning, my friend. Do not use nxa on its own. It is an insult. It's on the same level as saying kha or. The G and X together make the sound a. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. Remember the X on its own was a. With the G it is qa. Quma, quma. Qamalaza, qamalaza. Qoba, qoba. Qa, qe, qi, qo, qu. The NGX makes the following sound. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. So it's with your left jaw, but you do stiffen the left part of your tongue as well. Ngama, ngama. Nqepheza, nqepheza. Ngqube, ngqube. Nqa, nqe, nqi, ngo, ngu. I'm sure you agree that deserved its own lesson. Even I am tired. Remember to pause, Go back and watch as many times as you need to, and keep saying the sounds out loud until they become familiar. If you missed the first 2 lessons, find the links down below in the description box. Sala kahle.